Hello and welcome to Tek Kid. I'm Oliver and today I will be talking about FDM 3D printing. So one question you might be asking right now is, what exactly is FDM 3D printing? What does it stand for? Well, it stands for Fused Deposition Modeling, and it's become a hobby of a lot of people. I will be making another video on how to set it up and get it running next week. But right now, I'm just going to be talking about the basics and how it actually functions. FDM 3D printing is melted plastic being extruded out of a nozzle and laid down on a print bed, forming a shape out of many previous layers. So that is about as simple as it's going to get. Now I'm going to go into the plastics. First plastic we have that I love to use the most, and it's easiest to print and in fact biodegradable, is the polylactic acid, otherwise known as PLA. And the other one, ABS, stands for acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Oh boy, that one was quite the tongue twister. ABS is unfortunately harder to print than PLA, but if you get the right temperatures, you can figure out how to manage it. So my opinion on 3D printers is I think it's a really good investment. 3D printers can stretch anywhere from $300 to $6,000. I think the benefits of the investment are pretty good. Number one, you can fix a damaged part. Say there was a break on your tripod. One of the latches is broken. You can take a caliper, you can measure it out, and then you can put it into a CAD program, which is a 3D modeling software, and if you save that, it will turn into an STL file. From there, you can take the STL file and you can put it into a slicing software. A slicing software is a program such as Ultimaker Cura, which writes out the instructions and turns the STL file into G-code. From there, you can put the file into the 3D printer, and the 3D printer will read the G-code, and it will print it out in 3 dimensions. Number two, it gives a base for inventions. Say you wanted to make a case for a Game Boy. You could easily model a Game Boy housing. Number three, there is also possible profit for this. You can say, if you get really good at modeling, you can sell your files to people online. If you're looking for free files that are available for downloading and printing, there is a website called Thingiverse. I'll put a link in the description below, where you can find numerous files that people have posted. So you can just take one of those files, you can put it in the slicing software, then you can put it into your 3D printer, and then you pretty much can just print. It's that simple. Well guys, it's time to depart. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has given you a lot of information about FDM 3D printing. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification button. Stay tuned for more videos posted every Sunday afternoon, and I guess I'll see you in the next video.